Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the features of the WF-RepTool by auditors. In the first part, I want to introduce the WF-RepTool website to you, which has been developed and will be maintained by the WF-RepTool expert group. Under WF-RepTool.org, you will find a lot of information about the WF-RepTool and its features. Most relevant information for you will find under Information. Here you will find frequently asked questions, which focus on explaining the target of the WF-RepTool, the use of the WF-RepTool, as well as on questions on how to create a report. Here you may look around if you want to learn more about the WF-RepTool. For questions on how to create a report, you may also have a look at the separate pack of video tutorials provided under For Reporters. If you want to learn more about the background and the structure of the WF-RepTool, please have a look at the general presentation which you will find under Presentations. Under the menu option User Manuals, you will find the comprehensive user manuals explaining all steps of using the WF-RepTool in detail. Both manuals are written as step-by-step information for the use of the IT application. Under the menu option Guidance Documents, you will find more practical information regarding the use of the tool. As first, the guidance document Issues of Harmonization lists quite some issues which should be considered to create a correct report, or in your case, when checking a report or downstream information. At the end of this page, you will find one of the most important information you might use during your work: the listing of the classification of the use of final fractions in final technologies regarding recycling, recovery and disposal. You may download this Excel file for your use. Additionally, the changes necessary for the implementation of the V Directive 2012 are explained in a Word document which you may download too. Let's go back to the Excel file. It is not so much important if you or your client, the operator, uses the WF-RepTool as an IT solution. The most important content of the WF-RepTool is given here in the Excel file. The classification regarding recycling and recovery. We distinguish between energy recovery and other material recovery. And disposal. We distinguish between thermal disposal and all other cold disposal options. We call it landfill disposal. Take this Excel file and compare with classifications done by the operator. And please consider one of the main points of the WF-RepTool. Not the technology used decides about the classification as recycling. The use, respectively the target use of the final fraction or its shares, we call them components, as coming from composition, is the base for decisions about the classification as recycling or recovery or disposal. Technologies are only given as examples where this use can take place. A second main point which might be interesting for you is that there is a demo version provided under Purchase Information. You might use the link or the picture and you will come to the list of demo reports provided for you. You may click one of the reports and you will be in this report. You may use all features of the WF-RepTool, excluding adding a new report or saving data. You may continue on these issues with the video tutorials on WF-RepTool reports and useful help features, or later with how to look at the report and get data for audits. For any feedback to this tutorial or any questions, please use the Contact Us feature at our website. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.